Hi friends, today we are given a problem of solving smallest missing integer. The given problem statement states that given the smallest positive number missing from an unsorted array, given an unsorted array with both positive and negative elements including 0, and input format which would be any number which could have containing negative and positive, we have to find the smallest positive missing number from the array which should be greater than 0. So to do this, let's first define a function smallest missing number and we will pass the array. We'll create a dictionary we'll be checking that whether the current value that we are iterating in the array is present in the dictionary or not. In case it is not present, then we will assign that value in the dictionary. And one more thing we could do is that we could check whether the value is greater than 0 or not. I think this would make sure that we are not counting the negative integer because those values you won't be requiring either way. Okay, tab is not. We'll create another variable of 1 and we will write the while loop. While true. So here it'd be checking whether that index is present in that keys. If index in dictates dot keys, or you could say if it's not present in dictates dot keys, then it'll be returning that index. Index, else we will just increase the value of index plus equal to 1. And now we could basically print smallest missing number, and here we'll be passing an array of -5 2 0 -1 -10 and 15. Now if we execute the code, here the smallest missing number which is not present is going to be 1 and 1 would be returned as output. In case 1 is present, then if we click on execute, then we would be getting a value of 3 because 1 and 2 both of them are present but 3 wasn't present. So that is the basic idea, and the complexity of this problem is going to be of big O of n. There would be 2 loops we'd be using, so big O of n, another big O of n, it will be 2n, or you could be simplifying it by saying that it's big O of n. So it should really reduce the time taking to solve this problem, which would be great help. Yeah, so that's all, guys. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.